So here's the thing we're doing today. That there's a 2015 Subaru Outback. If I could talk to him right now, I'd tell him to get it closer. But at the same time, God, she's glorious. Look at this. Look at what I've done to my wheels. I think that might be where the problem with the ABS is coming from. Oh no, here we go. Oh my goodness. Who knew there was a rally stage at University High School? Oh, there we go. Kick that powder, baby. Come on, bring it on over. Bring it on over, I ain't scared. That's more like it. That's how you own a Subaru. Keeping it going. Why, yes sir, yes sir.